This is a Honda S2000. They broke into his car in 2012 on 4th of July weekend and stole the seats out of his car. So he contacted us, auto alarm specialist here in Miami, Florida. He wanted to install an alarm that when the alarm fires off, it will send him a text message to his cell phone. So we suggested the Titan alarm, which is a cellular alarm system. So when it fires off, it sends him a text. It will lock and unlock the doors, start a kill, flashing lights. Comes with 2 remote controls, 6-tone siren. It hooks up to the horn. It comes with a blue LED light. It also pops the trunk. And then basically when the alarm fires off, what makes it different from any other alarm in the market is that it sends you a text message to your cell phone. So I'm going to go ahead and arm the system. And I'm going to go ahead and fire off the alarm, and we should wait a few seconds and he should receive a text message. And there's the text message. Okay. Thank you for watching the video.